What's up, guys? John from JohnMcNeil.com here, and today I'm excited to share this information with you because today we're going to do something a little bit different, and I'm actually going to be showing you a case study in which I made $396.27 with about 10 minutes worth of work, guys. You're not going to want to miss this one. We're starting right now. All right, guys, John from JohnMcNeil.com here. Before I actually show you like the how-to I made the money, I wanted to actually just show you like the income proof. So, and I have to apologize a little bit because when I got the thumbnail created yesterday, I had only generated $396, but you can see overnight I made another sale. So the total commissions now is $411.18. And yes, that only took about 10 minutes worth of work. So $411, you can see here I had 31 sales. My conversion rate was about 5.6, which is higher than the industry standard of about 1 to 2%. And I can actually go over here and I can refresh the screen for all the people that think that, you know, these screenshots are fake. I just refreshed it 2 times. This is the actual commissions. And again, you know, $411.18 in about 10 minutes. Now guys, there's some physicians and doctors out here and lawyers out here that don't make $400 an hour, right? And you can do this too. You can take about 10 minutes and you can make $400. And you can do this week in and week out. And in this video, I'm gonna be showing you exactly how you can do this and how you can generate these type of you know, commissions on a daily and weekly basis. So we're going to jump in how I actually made this money. So I'm going to pop over to my little presentation here. And so here are the steps of, you know, exactly how I generated the income. So first thing you want to do is you want to pick a high converting product, right? And I've talked about this a lot on my channel, and I'll link a couple of those videos in the description. But what you want to do is you want to look at sales. You know, like if the product is selling a lot, it's a good indication that it's a good high quality product. The other thing you want to look at is EPC, which is earnings per click. And that's just some sort of formula that they do that basically shows when this page is shown to like 100 visitors, how much money on average is generated from the visitors, so like per click. So you want to look at products that generate you know, somewhere between $1 to $2 per click. That's going to be a really good indication that, you know, you can make some money with it. And then you also want to, you know, also check refunds. So if the product has, you know, 100 sales, but it has a 30% refund rate, it's probably a product you want to stay away from because it's probably not a quality product. So the first thing you want to do is you want to pick a high converting product. The second thing you want to do, and this isn't necessary, but I do recommend it, is to either get a review copy of the product or purchase the product yourself and go through it to ensure that it actually does have good quality content, that you learn something from it, and that other people would actually find value from it. So I actually had gotten a review copy of the product myself. I went through it very quickly and I learned some things and I thought the product was just great. And then so what I ended up doing was I created literally a 10-minute video, a screen capture video, and I created this video and I basically just talked about the product. I talked about what I learned in the product. I talked about the different benefits, what other people would learn if they purchased the products, the bonuses, etc., etc. And just tried to stress the value of the product and that, you know, if they purchased it, they would, you know, it would help them, right? And then the last thing I did was I promoted the video to a target audience, right? I promoted the video to a target audience, people that are interested in the subject matter. People are interested in the topic, right? So it doesn't matter what niche you're in, these are the steps that you would take. So if someone was interested in fitness and health and fitness, you would basically still follow these same steps. You know, I'm in the affiliate marketing / make money online space, so that's what my product was about. So even if you don't have a big audience, right? So you don't even have to have a big audience. You don't even have to have tons of subscribers. You don't have to even have a lot of thousands of views. None of that stuff matters, guys. It really just more so matters about, you know, what you're doing in your video, how you're presenting the video, and then there's little tricks and tips that you could do in order to, like, you know, create a good video that is actually going to, you know, generate those high conversions, even if you're only getting a smaller bit of traffic to it. And even if you don't have an audience, there's ways that you can get your video ranked. You know, if I was thinking about actually doing a video like kind of showing this process more in depth. So if this is something that you guys want to learn, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section and just let me know that, hey, we want more in-depth training on how to create videos that promote products, and I'll try to churn out that video maybe like next week for you guys. So but that's basically it, guys. I mean, I picked a high converting product, I reviewed it, and I literally took 10 minutes out of my day and I created this video, and it generated $411. And that's just the start, right? So this video is gonna be online as long as, you know, YouTube is online, and it's gonna continue generating me sales over and over and over and over and over again. And this is something that you guys can simply do. It doesn't matter if you're camera shy. You can actually just use a screen capture. There's a software called Screen-O-Matic, and there's a ton of other free softwares out there that actually just record your screen, and you don't even have to show your face. And you would just, you know, go through those stats, find a high converting product, review it, create the video, and then promote it. And again, even if you don't have an audience, there's ways you can get it ranked so that it starts getting some traffic. And if you get some traffic to your video, you can make some sales. So that's basically all I had for this video, guys, today. The last thing I did want you guys to do is I wanted you to go to the description where I do have a free marketing system that you guys can plug into. This marketing system actually will let you build your list, has high converting squeeze pages, sales pages, and a ton of training, really good training on email marketing, on list building, on traffic generation, on, you know, building your audience, on building an authority blog site. You know, it has all this information, and you can go ahead and access it in the link below. It's free. You can get started with it today, and that's all I got. That's all I got. So again, this is John for JohnMcNeil.com. Hit the like button if you like the video. Make sure you leave me a comment if you want me to create a video next week on more in depth on how you promote products. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.